If you're just starting your prepping journey, it can feel overwhelming. But today, I'll share essential tips to help you take that first step with confidence. Start with the basics: water, food, and shelter. Store at least a 3-day supply of bottled water for each family member. Next, stock up on non-perishable foods like canned goods, pasta, and rice, easy to store and versatile. Create an emergency plan. Know your evacuation routes, establish a communication plan, and keep a list of essential contacts. Having a plan in place reduces stress during a crisis. Build a small emergency kit. Include a flashlight, batteries, a first aid kit, a multi-tool, and hygiene products. These items are inexpensive and make a big difference in an emergency. Start small and stay consistent. You don't have to prepare for every scenario at once. Focus on one area at a time and your efforts will add up over time. Remember, prepping is about peace of mind and readiness, not fear. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.